Hello and welcome to Instant Nerd. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix an Unreal process has crashed UE5 Discovery in the finals. If this video helps you, then consider subscribing and liking the video. First, you should force stop the finals from the task manager. For the second step, go and check for system updates. Update your system and restart your PC. This will improve gaming experience at least, if not fixing crashing and not launching. Open Device Manager and under Display Adapters, right-click on your GPU and then select Update Drivers. Select Search automatically for the best drivers. If it still didn't fix your issue, then go to Steam and open the Finals properties, and then go to Verify Game Files integrity. Now restart your computer and then relaunch the game. This was for today's tutorial. If this video was helpful, then don't forget to subscribe and like this video.